Myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates. Play Smart, Play Epic. Asansol contact number is 8695607709. Another number is 18001233 Several opposition parties, including the Congress, TMC, NCP, and RJD, staked a walkout in the Rajya Sabha on Thursday over the issue of the inflation as well as the suspension of 12 Rajya Sabha members. Meanwhile, Lok Sabha proceeding began with the Assisted Reproductive Technology Regulation Bill 2020 being passed. Union Health Minister Dr. Manu Sukh Mandavya will introduce the National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research Amendment Bill 2021. The lower house today the Dam Safety Bill, which was been on agenda since Monday, will be taken up the consideration and passing in the Rajya Sabha, addressing the COVID situation and concern around the Omicron variant in Lok Sabha. Union Civil Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Sachidya said that new variant as is a setback as the government was working towards slowly increasing the number of the flights. Lok Sabha is discussing COVID-19 situation in the country while Rajya Sabha is continuing its debate on the dam safety bill. The issue of suspension of 12 members once again involved in the upper house, with Chairman M. Venkaiah Naidu returning that a revocation will not be considered unless and said member apologizes. The Federation of South Bengal Chamber of Commerce and Industries FOSB ECCI again raised and tone of the master plan. A press conference was held on behalf of the FSBK today at General Secretary Sachin Rai, Vinod Rai, Ajay Khan, J.D. Dhonkai, etc. were present on this occasion. During the press conference, the members of FOSFIZI supported the campaign to remove illegal environment in Asansol by Municipal Corporation for the last few days. Welcomed. He said that environment is a method of illegal occupation of land. R.P. Khaitan said that FOSBE CCI had raised the issue through a press conference a few months ago, and he welcomed this initiative of Asansol Municipal Corporation and ADDA. RP Khaitan said that administration will have to ensure that those who have been removed to do not sit again. He said that FOSFIZI demand that such a campaign should be carried out everywhere in the city. RP Khaitan also demanded a master plan and development of Asansol Municipal Corporation area on the line the master plan of Durgapur during the time of Dr. Vidhan Chandra Rai. Along with this, R.P. Khaitan demanded to build a multi-stored car parking plaza in the city. He said that such a planning is being heard for a long time, but the work has not been completed. He also demanded to build a town hall in Raniganj, which was to be built in the name of Prince Dwarka Nath Tagore. But till now, the foundation stone has not been laid, did not progress. RP Khaitan said that 5 trains have started from Jasidi, but not a single train started from Asansol. General Secretary Sachin Rai said that the work of any development council is to make the project of the future, but the present development council is limited to build any only the road. Sachin Rai accused Asansol of depriving him on the issue of development. He demanded to build a flyover. He said that Today, the footpath in the city is decreasing day by day. Along with this, he demanded a place for the representatives of trades in the Development Council of Administration. Two people from Karnataka tested positive for Omicron variant of coronavirus. The Union Health Ministry informed on the Thursday these are the first cases of the fast spreading cases to be reported in India. Two cases of Omicron variant have been reported in the country so far. Both cases are Karnataka. Love Agarwal, Joint Secretary in Union Health Ministry, said at a briefing today. The Omicron variant was first detected in the southern Africa and since then has spread to 29 countries, the Health Ministry official informed today. The Indian government has already implemented a strict measure for international travelers to check the spread of a new. The Omicron variant was first detected in South Africa and since then has been spread to nearly 2 dozen countries. The Indian government has already implemented a strict measure for international travelers. LPG price for commercial cylinder were on Wednesday increased by 103. The price rise will be effected from today onwards. Commercially, cylinder of the 19 kg in Delhi will cost 2104 from today onward, which was costing 2050 earlier. The price of the commercial gas cylinder in Kolkata increased by rupees 101 to rupees 2174.5 paise. Earlier its price was 2073 rupees 5 paise. The commercial gas price in Mumbai has gone up 2051. Earlier the price was 1950. There has been an increase of rupees 101 here. At the same time, the price of rupees 19 kg commercial gas cylinder in the Chennai has gone up to rupees 2234.50 paise. Earlier the price was 2133. However, the respite is that there is a no increase in domestic LPG cylinder by the petroleum companies. The price of a non subsidized 14.2 kg domestic cylinder in Delhi will be cost rupees 899.50 paise per bottle, while the new rate of 5 kg domestic cylinder stand at 502. Physiotherapy clinic male and female for contact 7047456855. Call on this number. Mahua. Hurricane Jawad, Cyclone Jawad is coming. Before this, the administration is making a special preparation. The state police is paying special attention to the coastal district. Special attention has been paid to the Sundarbans. Making is underway. Coastal area have been the worst affected with the frequent downpours and cyclone in Bengal. The list includes the vast Sundarban. On the other hand, the lower Damodar Valley. Many areas including Ghatal and Daspur were flooded. Meanwhile, it is a winter in Bengal during cultivation. The effect of low pressure is also very good for farming. Therefore, the administration is already taking a special measures. A special team of civil defense and disaster response force will reach the Sundarbans coastal area of the district by the Friday evening. After this, the huge rivers and sea dams of Sundarban were repaired in the phased manner, but incessant rain once after the other, the coastal and one depression after the heavy rains endured the soil of the dams. This could result is a devastating erosion in Sagar Dweep, Parth Fatima, Namkhana, Mosuni, and Ghormara island this year. The residents of the coastal area will be alert before the disaster and they will be evaluated in the advance. The district administration has already decided to open the cyclone center in a 4 blocks to Kakwi Deep subdivision. Now the depression in the Andaman area. See, this will increase the injury energy a bit and turn into the clear depression. By Friday, it will be a central region of the Bay of Bengal. It will continue to move towards the coast on Saturday, Sunday. There is a possibility of the light rain in many districts to Chobis Pargana, East and West, Midnapur and Howrah from Friday. Heavy rain in 7 districts on Saturday. There is a possibility of a severe department disaster on Sunday. Cyclone Javed will move towards Andhra Pradesh and Odisha coast, but it is not clear whether it will enter the ground from there. One may have entered the land, lost some strength, and came to the Bengal, or it could hit the Bengal by sea without entering land. The cyclone may take a turn after the approaching Odisha. This is the bad news for Bengal. There is a possibility of a heavy rain in a 6 district, including Kolkata. The strong winds are likely to prevail over the coastal area, even with a maximum speed of 60 kmph on that day. Meteorologists say that Andaman and Bay of Bengal are expressing low pressure again and again this year. If depression stay in one place, there will be an increase in energy. This will happen. There is a no continuous winter season this year. The only reason is the water vapor. This time the winter mood will be less. A fueled injury is less likely to cause a cold. Kolkata municipality is also prepared to deal with a cyclone Jawad. At a present, 6 pumping stations have been asked to be alert. A portal pumping system control room of Kolkata municipality will remain open. At a present, there is a low pressure in a central Andaman Sea. Depression is coming in the west on the 2nd. On 3rd, it will remove west and northernwards and form a cyclone over a central Bay of Bengal. On the 4th, cyclone will hit the north coast of Andhra Pradesh and coast of Odisha. Light rain will start the coastal district to Chobis Pargana to Midnapur, Jhargram and Howrah from 3rd. The intensity of rain will increase on the 4th and it will rain in all the districts. Coastal district Kolkata to Chobis Pargana to Midnapur, Howrah, Jhargram may receive heavy rainfall. Rain will increase on 5th. Heavy to very heavy rainfall with a speed of 40 and 50 kilometer per ph is very likely to over the coastal district. It will rain on 6th also. There may be a rain in Malda, Dui, Dinajpur, Kalimpong of North Bengal from January 3. The night temperature will increase by 3 to 4 degree, while cyclone Jawad Southeastern Railway has cancelled 35 trains of district routes. Angel Vidya Mandir, a sure way to success. We provide classes. We also provide all type of competitive class like SSC, Rail, WBCS and state level exam. For more details, contact on the number 9932864067 or another number is 8116183079. You can also add as friend on Facebook Angel Vidya Mandir. Road to Barakar Bazaar by Asansol Municipal Corporation. Almost all the shopkeepers have shown their cooperation in the work of the municipal corporation by breaking their illegal construction on their own on the instruction of the INORCHES to remove the illegal construction and shopkeeper from the drains located on the both the banks. Whereas during the drive to remove the illegal building by the municipal corporation, it was said the illegal occupation has to removed vertically but up to the top of the drain. Since then, the work of the demolishing many shops and houses of the market has started, but even after a week has passed, There are some buildings which are still encroaching on the drains illegally, in the which someone balcony has been removed. Then there are strain on a shop, strain of house, and many other such shops which are still standing above the drains. Local people say that we accepted the order of the municipal corporation without protesting and removed our illegal occupation ourselves. But even today, there are some such shops and buildings. Those who did not remove their illegal positions is a municipal corporation threatening us step motherly that crime did we people it that we were deprived of our employment, and many of some people are still opening taking illegal occupation taking prompt action. The remaining illegal environment should also be removed in fair manner. In this regard, on being asked by Sekhar Kundu on the board of administrator of Asansol Municipal Corporation, he said that if this is the case, then very soon those illegal and proper legal producers should be done with. Coaching for medical NEET AIIMS. Contact number is 9832824975. Address is Rishi Arvind Nagar, Birla Road, Kulti, P. Bardhaman, West Bengal. Asansol distinguished philanthropist cum businessman Krishna Prasad took blessing on Wednesday by offering prayer to the mother at a Budhi temple. During this, he told reporters that September 30, the Gulab cyclone in Asansol had caused havoc in the entire Silpanchal, in which the Ma Ghagar temple was also affected. Seeing the deplorable condition of temple, he said that even after 2 months of the disaster, the corporation administration did not do anything for the temple. He said that Maghagarpuri temple is a temple to rectify its dilapidated condition. It was said that the repair was done by the corporation. However, till date, no initiative seems to have been taken in this regard. He said that November government does not solve the problems, government business get delayed. Ghagarburi temple, the main mother of Silpanchal, is a place of faith. The Ghagarburi temple is a dilapidated. Christian devotees who come to worship in the temple risk their lives and worship. Who will take the responsibility if something onwards happen towards someday? Krishna Prasad said that if the corporation administration does not start the repair work of this temple by December 4, then they will start the repair work of the temple from their liable. When asked about this, the corporation administration Amarnath Chatterjee said that the society there is a lot of space to do the social work. If does some social work, then it is a very good thing. Do social work the engineer of corporation had done to investigate for the repair work of Ma Ghagarpuri temple. The report of the investigation has been submitted to corporation. Budget has also been prepared in this regard. Very soon, the repair work of Ma Ghagarpuri temple will be started by the corporation. Vinav Guinea House at KN Mukherjee Lane, Asansol 1. Telephone number 0341 2311920. Mobile number 9933990442. In details in diamond, gems and stones, gold and hallmarked jewelry, silver item and utensils, Jordic power items. A traffic awareness rally was organized by Asansol North Traffic Guard under the Asansol Durgapur Police on Thursday morning. The traffic awareness rally was organized by Asansol Durgapur Police Commissionerate under the leadership of ACP Traffic Sukant Banerjee from Jubilee Junction in front of Asansol Engineering College. Police officer and staff of the police commissionerate, including Mahala Khattar Singh. The traffic awareness rally ended at the altercations at the time of ACP Traffic Sukant Banerjee informed several bike riders about the traffic awareness. Police personnel were also seen putting a safe drive, safe life awareness strikers on various two-wheeled and four-wheeled vehicles. Helmets should be used in this plane, especially when driving a two-wheeler.
Novel coronavirus COVID 19. Prevention is better than cure. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Always cover your mouth and nose while sneezing. Wash your hand regularly. Wear mask. Use sanitizer. Avoid social gathering. Avoid contact with others. Don't touch your eyes and mouth frequently. Issued in public interest. For trade inquiry, mail care at the rate rkmgroup.in. Call toll free number 1800
School in Delhi will be closed from tomorrow till further order due to the current air pollution level in city. Environment Minister Gopal Rai said the announcement was made by the minister after the Supreme Court criticism of the Delhi government decision to reopen the schools. The top court today gave a 24 hours ultimatum to center Delhi and other neighboring states to take action to control pollution in the national capital region. We had respond to school considering the forecast and air quality would improve. However, the air pollution level they have increased again and we have decided to shut schools from Friday till further order. Mr. Rai said Delhi's air quality started deteriorating after the Diwali on November 13. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal announced that school will be closed for a week so that students can be kept away from the breathing and polluted air. The closure was extended beyond on week as the air quality in the city did not improve significantly on November 24 despite recording very poor air quality. Schools were allowed to reopen for physical class. Parents had mixed reaction to the decision of the National Capital Government. Supreme Court of India on December 2 expressed dissatisfaction with the measurement taken by the Delhi government to control air pollution. Pollution level has increased in Delhi despite the state government claims. The top court said, "We feel that nothing is happening and the pollution keeps increasing. Only time is being wasted." Chief Justice N.V. Ramana said during the hearing, the Supreme Court criticized the Delhi government's decision to reopen the schools and said the 3-year-old and 4 years old are going to school but adults are working from home. We will appoint somebody to administrate your government. On schools, there is a lot of debate on learning loss. We reopen with the condition including the option for online. Advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi, who represented the Delhi government, said you are saying you left it's optional but who wants to sit at home. We also have children and grandchildren. We know the problem they have been facing since the pandemic. If you don't take action, we will take a strict action tomorrow. We are giving you 24 hours, the Chief Justice says.
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe, and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285.
Sanjeev Kumar Yadav, according Mathan Allow near Kalyaneshwari on the occasion of Subhas Agarwal, managing director of Mathan, Alois said that his company is doing social work equally. He said that there are such people in the society, those who have no one took after should help such a people. He said that most of the people of the terrible society lives in the said area. The company has taken initiative for their development. The little bacho was given cake, biscuit, dessert the children with warm cloths. On this occasion, Swami Devasiri Nandaji, Maharaj of Asansol Ramakrishna Math, thanked the company for doing the above work.
के आसपास के गांव के बच्चे हैं जिनको सिलेक्शन किया गया यहाँ के वर्कर स्टाफ के थ्रू, मैं कैसे पहचानूंगा, वही सब बच्चों को कांटेक्ट किए, बच्चे माँ को कांटेक्ट किए हैं, उनको लाया गया यहाँ पर। ठंड पड़ रही है, बच्चों को गर्म कपड़े दिए गए हैं, कुछ खाने को दिया गया है, बस उनके माता पिता को समझाया गया है कि बच्चों को पढ़ाओ। मेन तो कारण हुआ है कि बच्चों उसके पेरेंट्स समझे कि बच्चों को पढ़ाना कितना ज़रूरी है, नहीं तो उनका फ्यूचर एकदम बर्बाद हो जाएगा। मेन तो कारण वो था, ये बहाना था, और स्वामी जी का आशीर्वाद है ऐसा कारण होता रहे, उनकी कृपा होगी तो।
অন্যরকমভাবে কিন্তু ভাবতে হবে। শুধুমাত্র আমার নেওয়াটাই নয়, আমার দেওয়া আছে, আমার অনেক কিছু দেওয়ার আছে। এই যে বাচ্চাগুলো বসে আছে, ওদের ভেতরে অনেক খিদে আছে, ওদের মন বিকাশের অনেক বাকি আছে। এই সবটা কিন্তু ওকে দেওয়ার দায়িত্ব কিন্তু গার্জিয়ানের।
I am presenting SMS of News Movement. A good life is a when you assume nothing, do more, need less, smile often, dream big, laugh a lot, and realize how blessed you are for what you have.
Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.